Hello, hello, hello. Here we are back again with another unboxing video. This is not a new brand, but this is something new, not only in, what's the word that I'm looking for? Not only in terms of design, but also in collaboration, so to speak. And here we are back again with Paul Parkman footwear. So now this doesn't even have a label on the box because I didn't design the shoe, but I created the new model in the sense that we took an existing model and edited it to create a new model with my choices of color and detail. So let's take a look. All right, we're gonna get straight to it. If you wanna see all the bells and whistles of Paul Parkman shoes have, you can watch the previous unboxing videos. As you know, I'm not your typical client, so they're not sending me shoes as they would a customer. All right, so here we go. So Paul Parkman likes doing the unboxing videos, which is great. It's a way to visually showcase his stuff. Pictures can only show so much, but we wanted to do something different this time. So we blended two ideas. If you look at my previous videos, you'll see that I did this Norwegian stitch derby that Paul Parkman has done. There's a few different colorways. They've been highly successful for the brand, and he wanted to kind of run on that, showing another version of that, but I didn't want to show the same thing that I've already showed, so I said, why don't we try to make a boot version? And so we did. I said, I really love this kind of Burgundy Patina that he had done on another pair of shoes, and I like, I love Burgundy Suede, and I thought, let's try to incorporate both of those ideas with this new boot version of this shoe. So that's what we did, and we've created a shoe boot. So you can see that they literally just took the shoe and added a shaft to make this new boot model. Now I will say that I didn't choose the toe. This is not a toe that is for me personally. It's way too pointy for my personal taste, but they said it's been successful, and you know, we're all like different things. But I do love the idea of this boot in general. I'm sure we will make some other new things, and I will ask for change of last. I do think many of you, my followers, are a bit more classic like me and would probably really appreciate this on a rounder last, and I'm gonna make that happen. So, but just in terms of the collaboration, it's a very cool boot. I like how it came out. I love this patina with like, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it in the camera, but it has these kind of like little blue hints underneath. It's like burgundy with reddish and tan tones. It's a unique patina. And then I love the kind of burnished Burgundy Suede. The suede is really soft, almost like velvety suede. Feels really nice. The lining is like a really dark teal. It's actually quite a cool color. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that so well. I guess they're playing off the sole, but they didn't do a bright teal. They did like a really dark teal, probably closer to blue, so to speak. So yeah, for those of you that appreciated the original derby, you'll probably really appreciate this boot version of that derby. The sole details are great with all the nails in the toe and the nails over here. This has a Norwegian welt, but really only a 180. So from joint to joint, you get the Norwegian stitch all the way around, but not in the heel area. Now another new addition to this video and to my working with Paul Parkman is, if you are a Shoe Snob blog follower and or a follower of this YouTube channel, Paul Parkman is offering you guys an exclusive discount. It's not a lot, but it's something, and it helps. And it's 10%, and the code is TheShoeSnob10. So from what they told me, that is good for everything on the site, including this boot. So if you really like this and you want it, you know, right now it's just full price because it's a brand new model. It'll be full price, I presume, for a while. If you really like it, it's gonna help save you, I believe the model's at, don't quote me exactly, I forgot. It's either 800, 850, or 895, I can't recall. So it's gonna save you 80 to 90 bucks, which is no small amount. It all helps in this day. And yeah, one thing now I need to look back at the Derby, because I don't think it had a medallion, but I really like this medallion. I think that's very cool. It reminds me of like an angel, to be honest. It really suits the elongation of this toe, even though, you know, I'm not crazy on super pointed toes, but I think the medallion is very fitting to the last shape. Oh, I didn't mention this, and I'm not sure if you could see it, but in the Norwegian stitch, you got blue stitching on the welt. Another, you know, detail touch for those of you that like color. So as you look at the boot, you see that there's a blue detail incorporated into the burgundy, which is great because I love both blue and burgundy. So I thought it was smart, and I actually didn't tell them to do that. They did that on their own. I just liked the burgundy on burgundy. So yeah, hopefully you guys find this interesting. Again, I think Paul Parkman and myself will be creating other new kind of collaborations together. Next time I will make something a bit more traditional in terms of last shape, because, you know, I think, me personally, I would love to have this on a slightly more rounded last. And I think that would be super cool. Nevertheless, I think that the patina is cool, the model is cool, you know, a derby boot. And yeah, anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed. I will continue to try to create interesting things like this. Remember, you get the discount at Paul Parkman. It's only 10% off, but it's something. Thanks for tuning in. As always, wishing everybody a great day. Please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be aware when I make new videos. And thank you as always for your support. Take care, guys. Bye.